Women empowerment. The true meaning of women empowerment will be achieved when gender inequality will be eliminated. We need to give equal opportunities to women for equal pay and respect as equal to men. We look forward to such nation. If we look in global perspective in developed nation, women empowerment is achieved to majority extent. However, in case of developing countries or underdeveloped countries like Middle East, Southeast Asia, Asian countries, for example, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, a lot has to be done. Is to be done. Let's talk about Indian context. There are two groups: urban population and rural population. For many reasons, women are being oppressed by members of their families and society. They were also abused by the male members in the family and society in India and other countries for many types of violence and discriminatory practices. Wrong and outdated habits have taken the form of well-developed customs and tradition for women in society from ancient times. In India, there is a tradition of worshipping many female goddesses, including honoring women roles in society such as mother, aunt, son, wife, and other female relatives or friends. But it does not mean that the country need to growth can only be fulfilled by respecting or honoring women. It needs equality in every way of life for the rest of the country's half population. There is a renowned nation that confirms the famous proverb, unity is the plurality, where citizens of many religions' beliefs are in Indian society. Women have been given a special place in every religion, which acts as a white veil covering people's eyes and helping to perpetuate many evil practices against women as a norms of ages. There was a tradition in ancient Indian culture of sati pratha, Nagar Vadhu system, dowry system, sexual violence, domestic violence, female infanticide, parda pratha, wife burning, workplace sexual harassment, child marriage, child labor, devadasi pratha, etc. All these kinds of evil practices are attributed to the society dynamic male superiority and structure. The male family members fully limited socio-political rights for women. The open-minded and good Indian people who raise their voices for the discriminatory practices against women have removed some of the ill practices against women through the Raja Ram Mohan Roy's continuing efforts. British people were forced to eradicate sati pratha's ill custom. Subsequently, other well-known Indian social reformers like Vinoba Bhave, Swami Vivekananda, etc., have raised their voices and work hard to uplift Indian society girls. Over the past few years, the Indian government has introduced numerous constitution and legal protections to eradicate unethical practices and sexual discrimination against women. The ongoing efforts of everyone, including women, is needed to solve such a big issues. Modern society is more conscious of women's rights, contributing to the increasing number of self-help groups, NGOs, etc., working in this direction. Women are more open-minded and break the barriers to society to achieve their rights in all dimensions, even after crimes go side by side. In order to provide women with protection and minimize female crimes in India, the government passes another Care and Child Protection Bill 2015, especially after the release of an accused juvenile in Nirbhaya case. This act is expansion of earlier Indian juvenile delinquency legislation 2000 to decrease juvenile age for criminal crimes for 18 to 16 years. Women empowerment conclusion. In order to really give in women empowerment to Indian society, the main cause of evil practices against women that are the male dominating societal structure needs to be understood and abolished.